Hala, hi Crush. Kumusta Crush?
Hello, ako si Crush.
Oh.
23 anyos.
Huh?
Ikan sa South Korea.
Huh?
Akong mission field,
Oh,
Bohol.
sa Bohol. So, maayo nakakaroon magbuholano?
Ay, gamay ra.
Gamay ra? Kumusta man imong kinabuhi sa mission field?
Very nice. From now on.
Very nice.
From
It's
now,
okay lang, English Bisaya. Ngano man? Nganong nice man?
There's actually no breathland. Pero, the neighbors are very kind. But the matter is, there is a lot of Catholic. Most of those are Catholic. So, it's hard to preach gospel. Pero, they're very kind. They're very kind.
Nang nganong namayat man ka?
So,
Namayat ka? Thin, you look thin.
Teen. Yo, I look
Walay
a lot
kaon?
weight.
Walay kaon?
Naay kaon dito sa Bohol. Pero, gamay lang.
Gamay lang. Unsa imong paborito nga pagkaon?
Turtang dalong.
Tortang talong.
My
Lame.
favorite, ha?
Lame.
Lami.
Lame. So everyday tortang talong?
Dili.
Dili.
Actually, I cook for by myself.
Oh,
So, gamay lang sudan.
gamay sudan.
Pero, dagan luto.
Dagan.
Patay, oy.
Dagan luto, luto kanon.
Oh.
Oh, daghay luto. Oh, nalipay ka nga naa ka sa campus.
Like a little bit sad.
Bakit?
Because I feel like there's no more commissionary. No, so yeah, that's why I feel like kind of sad. But soon, the 64th batch are gonna come,
Oh.
and also 62nd batch are gonna come. So,
Ah. So, kumusta imong kasing-kasing? Imong kasing-kasing, kumusta?
Kasing.
Ah.
Ikaw?
Ikaw?
Ako?
Oh.
Okay pa.
Kumusta imong heart? Okay lang?
Okay pa.
Dab 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 dab.
Dab.
Si Crush. Hello, oy, unsa man ni oy? Unsa man ni oy? Tagaay kog Boholano nga word be nga ginagamit ng government eh.
Walay difference eh. Pero walay difference like only like this. Mayong gabi
Oh.
like this. But mayong,
Oh.
but they pronounce J to Z.
Oh.
Mazong. Mazong gabi.
Kadyo.
Like this.
So
Easy.
so na-miss nimo ang Bohol? Na-miss nimo?
Mingaw dito.
Mingaw-mingaw.
Ah,
Pero malipayon ka.
mali pa yun.
Malipayon, happy ba? Happy. Sige, Crush. Daghang salamat.
Sige.
Welcome back to the campus.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you around.